guys, it's your girl Sheila. Come on into my kitchen. This is what I added to Bloveslife Smackalicious sauces. The spicy and the hot. Spicy, hot, and the mild. So we have our petite diced tomatoes. We got some Stella Rose Black. Stella Rosa Black. And we got some Vidalia onions. We have the organic apple cider vinegar, minced garlic. We have chicken broth with some actual chicken pieces in it, and we got some imperial margarine. Let's get this margarine melted, the onions cut, and into the pot, y'all. Oh yes, into the pot. Now once we get the onions and the butter into the pot, everything else gonna follow. We got some minced garlic, some chicken bouillon, and again, my good old chicken broth with the chicken pieces. Oh yes, and that's chicken breast. So we're gonna let this simmer while we get everything else added to the pot of all this goodness. Oh yes, and we're making, if you didn't guess it already, some Bloveslife, y'all. Now here's our petite diced Italian style tomatoes. I'm gonna add that whole can. I think that's about 15 ounce. And then we got some Stella Rose, and you know this Stella Rose is a sweet wine. It's a sweet wine. It's very good. It's about 8 ounces that I'm going to be adding. A cup to 8 ounces that I'm going to be adding. It's a semi-sweet. Want to try something different. We don't drink sodas, so we're going to try the wine. Now we're going to go ahead and pour that wine in that goodness on top of those tomatoes and everything else that already is in the pot. Look at that, y'all. Now let's bring everything else into the mix. Oh yeah, let's make them get all mixed up and let them get married, because we want them to get married. Oh yes, look at that. We want them to be a little bit married before we add the Smackalicious sauces, and we have 2 bags, but we're going to add a half of each. Let's go ahead and put about 2 tablespoons of that apple cider vinegar in there. And the star of the show, Smackalicious mild and Smackalicious spicy. All right, y'all see that seasoning in there? Now this one is the mild. Look at that. So we're going to be mixing them both together. We have the spicy there. Look at that spicy. Now we're gonna do half and half, you know, because hubby can't take all that spice. So we're gonna pour it in here. That spicy one in there. Yes, we are. This one is the mild. Oh yeah, you can see that rich color, that Smackalicious sauce. Oh yeah, baby. All right, so we're gonna get this sauce powder mix of all these good old seasonings, and we're gonna start mixing them in this pot. Oh yeah, we're gonna mix it in that pot and let it all just get married in this pot. Oh yeah, baby. And as you can see, you see how that color has already started to bring these onions alive. Oh yeah, we're gonna mix them up really good. We've added everything in here that we're gonna add. I'm gonna put my saran wrap on top of this and let it slow simmer on about a 3 or 4. Yes, look at that. And the house is smelling so aromatic with that Smackalicious sauce. Are y'all ready for some Smackalicious sauce? We got a couple of different meats, a couple of different menus that we're going to try this with. I have some baked chicken thighs that I'm going to try this with. Also have some good old turkey legs and turkey wings that we're going to try this with on 2 separate menus. Oh yeah, so stay tuned. I'm gonna show you what this looks like once it's thickened up, because we're not using this today. No. We're gonna use this tomorrow. We're gonna let this baby marinate. Like B-Love says, let it marinate. It always tastes better the next day, y'all. We just cooking this pot up today. Oh yeah. All right now, so stay tuned, because I'm going to show you this after I take the saran wrap off on how this has thickened up in this pot. Delicious. Smackalicious sauce. So it's ready, you guys. I'm just gonna put it on low and let it slow simmer on 1 for another 30 minutes. Oh yeah, now look at this. Now we're gonna be back in 24 hours. So join us for the mukbang, because we got 2 dishes that we're gonna be utilizing this Bloveslife Smackalicious sauce with. Oh yeah, baby.